Black hole bombshell. Scientists stunned by freaky astronomical first that was never seen before. Two black holes merging have been detected just 21 minutes from each other, stunning scientists who believe it was an astronomical first. Sean Martin of Express UK reports. August 28th, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO for short, noted two separate gravitational waves which came just 21 minutes apart. Gravitational waves in this instance were caused by two Bahomet black holes merging, which sent ripples through the fabric of space-time. Scientists say LIGO were shocked to see the two separate mergers happen in such quick succession, as two gravitational waves have never been recorded on the same day, let alone within half an hour of each other. Astrophysicist Robert Rutlig from McGill University in Montreal, Canada, was shocked at the findings and suggested it might be more than a coincidence. He tweeted, "This is freaky. Perhaps the simplest explanation, barring an instrumental or data handling issue, is that this is the first gravitational lensed gravitational wave detected." Non-scientists, this is a genuine, what was that? Whatever we've never seen before, moment in gravity wave astronomy. If you'd like to see how double checks and confirms and conclusions occur, pay attention in real time. This is happening now. Mr. Rutledge and others in the scientific community speculated that the two gravitational waves known as S190828I and S190828J came from the same source. However, after analyzing and reanalyzing, experts at LIGO discovered the localizations were extremely similar but not the same, suggesting it was two separate events. Northwestern University Christopher Berry, a member of the LIGO scientific collaboration, said, "In case you were suspicious of two events close in time with S190828L, that is, and S190828J, the sky localizations are similar but distinct. You might expect them to overlap for a gravitational lens signal, but that does not seem to be the case. Gravitational lensing could be used if an object in space is massive enough, such as the Sun. Its gravitational field would be so intense that its mass can bend the light. It works in a similar way to a magnifying glass, for example, which bends light through the lens, making an object appear closer. In this instance, scientists used black holes for gravitational lensing. There are a few ways in which a black hole can form. The scientists believe the most common instance is when a star, thousands of times the size of our Sun, collapses in on itself when it dies. This is known as a supernova. Another way is when a large amount of matter, which can be in the form of gas cloud or star, collapses in on itself through its own gravitational pull. Finally, the collision of two neutron stars can cause a black hole. The gist of all three ways is that a massive amount of mass located in one spot can cause a black hole. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. and we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.